Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Let all the students join the class. We will start our class. I really request all the students to open the camera. Rafe, Reja, Abdullah, Danish, please open the camera.
Miss, I don't have camera.
Who is saying this?
Miss, Rafe.
Rafe, okay. But Rafe, you have to manage it. During the class time, I want everyone to open camera. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Reja, bete, what's the matter? Amna, please open camera. Okay. The last topic which we did, it was word classes, parts of speech or tenses.
Teacher, picture composition.
Okay, we did picture composition. Fine. ठीक है Sinan, do recitation. After that, we will start our class.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu Azim. Jazakallah bete. All the students, please give the attendance. Write your name, section, and present teacher. Shahraza, Abdullah Farhan, Ali Salman, Amna, please. Reja. Reja did very good. Fatma Mohsen did, please. Abdullah Danish. Attendance. Aryan, please. Attendance. Very good, Aryan. I want everyone to give attendance quickly. Rafi, write present teacher, please. We have to start our class right now. Okay, write your name, Abdullah Danish. 6 green, present teacher, in this manner. Reja, open camera. Amsal, open camera. But during the class time, do not close the camera. In this manner, I will remove you from the class. And I'm very much serious. Amna, Amsal, and Reja, I'm removing you. Okay, Abdullah Danish, be active, please. Amsal, give attendance. Reja, unmute yourself. It is use the Zoom option to ask the question.
Teacher,
Ji,
there is some in my camera.
Okay, but try to manage
बात
it. Bete.
बंद होने जा रहा है।
You should manage it before the class, na beta.
teacher, मैंने कल भी हुआ था पर हो ही नहीं रहा था, तो मैं थोड़ी देर में अभी सेट कर रही हूँ उसको। तो मुझे
Okay, fine.
5-10 सेट करने में।
We have 30 minutes of class, bete. If in that
Teacher,
that
bas
timing,
5
you will take 10 minutes. So how could we complete our class? Okay.
only 5 minutes.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm giving you, just set it out. Okay, student. Last time we did tenses. I want everyone look at the assignment, visit a university, and do submit assignment to me. As most of the students are not submitting it to me. Fine, only Sinan, Fatma Mohsin, few students are submitting it to me. So I want other students as well, go through assignment and submit it.
मिस, मैं आपको कर चुका हूँ, आपने देखा?
जी बेटे.
मिस, मैं आपको कर चुका हूँ.
Okay, very good, Rafe. जी बेटे. Amsal, open camera, please. Okay. So are you practicing tenses at home, whatever I'm giving you?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you doing practice in the rough copy?
Yes.
So I want everyone do submit that rough work to me. So that I will get it. What are you doing these days? Fine. All the tenses practice, whatever you are doing, submit it to me. Because I wanted to check what you did.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Okay. In the last lecture, we have done picture composition. That was our speaking activity. You all did very well. So I'm giving +2 marks to everyone for that. Whosoever took part in that picture composition. Clear to everyone? You know, your class participation has 2 marks. If you are active during the class timings and you are taking part and answering on the time, you will be getting 2 marks for it. Clear? So I want everyone, whenever I'm asking the question, you should raise hand by Zoom option and give me answer for it. Okay? You give answer of the question. In this manner, you will be getting +2 marks. For example, you won't be able to attend the quiz or something happened, you did not attend the class. So that number I'll be adding in your test. Is that clear? So that is your reward. That is your appreciation number. Clear? Or a second thing as well, if because of electricity failure and power failure or because of internet issue, you are not able to attend the class, for that as well, I'll be taking your quiz. Fine?
Okay.
So that class review we will do in that quiz as well, and we can mark your present. Clear? So two options to get good marks you are getting now. Fine? And don't worry about the daily class sessions, because all are recorded in Zoom and we are providing you in school channel. You all know about it now?
Yes.
Okay. Today I'm again guiding you how to submit assignment through university. So I want everyone just look at the process, how we have to do that. Because yesterday few parents and few students share it, they are not able to submit their assignment on university. Is that so? Ji Humaira, do you know how to submit this in software?
Yes.
Okay, Mubashir, do you know about it?
No, miss.
Okay, I'm guiding right now. So you should speak at the moment if you are not getting it. Fine, Mubashir, you are unmute. Anyone else raise hand who did not know the process? Okay. Shahnaza, unmute yourself. Shahnaza, Mubashir, unmute yourself. Only you two? Only you two? The class has the boundaries. When you're attending the class, you should be in your limit. Be attentive, sit properly, fine, and properly dressed up. It's for everyone. Is that clear? You all should properly dressed up. Clear? Be attentive. And no one should sit with you. Not a single sibling or parents during the class time. Is that clear? Learn option, learn things by yourself and do it at your own hand. Clear? If you're unable to get anything, ask the question to teacher. Miss, kindly guide me this option. I'm not getting it. So I'm here to guide you each and everything, how to do out things. Clear? Anaya, beta, who is Moto E? Please open camera. Anaya, please open camera. Daily, I'm guiding you how to submit your assignment through university. So please, when you are not getting, submit your queries to me. You can submit in WhatsApp as well. You can submit in university as well. And you can submit over here in live session as well. Abhi, unmute yourself. Ji bete.
As you know, I have now joined the previous classes. So teacher, how can I submit their homeworks?
You can watch the
Teacher,
recorded sessions.
हाँ थोड़ा समझा दे कैसे सबमिट करना है.
Okay, I'm guiding right now. I'm sharing a screen. I want everyone. Okay, let Vania join the class. She just came. So I'm opening. Amsal again joining. Okay, everyone open the camera, please. Okay, I'm sharing a screen. I want everyone. Go through it, please. Are you all able to look at that, my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Our school software university. Fine. You have to log in over here. The ID which school provided you. Look at that. I have entered my daughter's ID. Fine. Just sign in.
मिस
जी बेटे.
मिस हम अपना क्या रखेंगे आपने अल्ताफ हुसैन 34 लिखा है, हम क्या लिखेंगे इधर?
Because this is my daughter's ID. The ID you will be getting from school. Just you can message your class teacher, Mubashir.
Okay, miss.
Message your class teacher, Miss Faika and Miss Laiba. They will provide the ID to you. ठीक है बेटे?
Yes, miss.
Take
Yes,
the
miss.
ID and do all the process, whatever I'm guiding you. ठीक है?
Yes. Yes.
Now look at that. Now I'm signing in.
मुझे हो ही नहीं रहा.
It will take time because my internet. Look at that. Now it is showing. Okay. Now you have to go to homework section. Where will you go? Look at that homework section. This is my daughter's ID, who is also studying in the same school now. So I'm using her ID. You will use your own ID. Is that clear? This is the homework section. Look at that. All the homeworks are appear over here. This magnifying glass will show you the homework. Whatever teacher are giving assignment now. Okay. If the teacher give you assignment of adding and subtracting, look at that. The homework is mentioned. So here it's the sign of cross is here. It means the child did not submit. If it's showing check sign, it means the child submitted it. ठीक है? अगर क्रॉस का साइन है, इट्स मीन द चाइल्ड डिड नॉट सबमिट. अगर चेक का साइन है, इट्स मीन बच्चे ने असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर दिया है. क्लियर? दिस मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास विल शो कंप्लीट असाइनमेंट. की टीचर ने क्या असाइनमेंट दिया है. लुक एट दिस आइकन, क्लिक टू व्यू. कि असाइनमेंट क्या है. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट आइकन. यू विल व्यू द होल असाइनमेंट.
मिस आपको डेट पुराने उसकी डेट बता देंगे होमवर्क के. बिकॉज आई वाज do that homework and I already told you, so you said that send me the screenshot.
I know, Beti, I know you did not submit it on time to me. That's why the submission of this option disappeared. You know,
Yes.
the book icon is disappeared. Why it disappeared? Because you have to submit the date which is mentioned.
So miss,
Okay.
so please can you do this?
No matter. Abhiya bete, if you have the submission option in other assignment, for example, you have the other assignment with you to submit. English का आपके पास कोई और assignment है जिसमें आप अपना पुराना assignment submit करवाना चाहती हैं, you can attach both file together. Clear?
Okay, miss. I will attach.
आप अपने old assignment उसमें attach करके just submit it to me. Clear?
Okay.
So this is the solution for that. Mubashir, you got it?
So teacher, I can also do that. I can attach my previous file.
Everyone can do that. If the old option disappear and the new option appear, so what will you do? Just submit with the new one. ठीक है?
ये लिखा हुआ है ऊपर होमवर्क नेम सबमिशन डेट ऊपर लिखी हुई थी. इस पे क्या लिखना था?
बेटे कुछ भी नहीं
इस पे
लिखना.
क्या लिखना है?
You just have to click on book icon. आप book icon पे click करेंगे ना? आप book
Yes,
icon
miss.
पे click करेंगे तो वहां पर एक विंडो खुल जाएगी. Look at this. I'm again sharing it. देखिए, जब आप book icon पे click करेंगे तो ये एक विंडो खुल जाएगी. Look at this. इस तरह की विंडो खुल जाएगी. Add files and notes. Clear? Is that clear, मुबशिर? अब आपके कंप्यूटर में वो पिक्चर जहां भी सेव है, जो आपने होमवर्क किया, ब्राउज करेंगे, ऐड करवा देंगे. ठीक है? आफ्टर एडिंग दैट फाइल आप सबमिट पे क्लिक करेंगे और वो फाइल मेरे पास आ जाएगी। क्लियर? ठीक है। इन दिस मैनर आपकी फाइल मेरे पास आ जाएगी, जो भी आपने पिक्चर सबमिट कर दी है। क्लियर? I will do correction and I will submit it to you with remarks. ठीक है? उसको correction करके मैं आपको सबमिट कर दूंगी। जी अभी बेटे unmute yourself and ask अभी of 6 green। जी बेटे अभी of 6 said if you did not give attendance, give attendance. Rahim, if you did not give attendance, give attendance, please. Right, present teacher.
I have given,
Zayan,
teacher.
please.
I have given you attendance.
Very good. Yes, Abhiya, you wish to share something?
No, miss.
Ji. Ji, bete. Anyone else? Any confusion?
Teacher,
Ji, पूछे सिनान.
teacher, when you will explain perfect and perfect continuous?
I will definitely complete all the tenses to you, but for that you have to do complete word class in detail as well. Is that so?
Okay.
हमें तमाम parts of speech भी detail में finish up करने हैं. Last time we did verb.
Okay.
We did verb in detail and we have done 2 worksheet of verb. I have
Yes.
given you an assignment.
Yes.
जी बेटे.
Teacher,
Okay.
as you know, I have joined late. Teacher, as you know, I have joined late. So, teacher, the previous lecture, I don't get, So, teacher, some lectures I have find.
Abhiya, go to school YouTube channel. From
Yes,
there
yes,
you can
I
get
have
all the session.
Teacher, I have seen the video, but teacher, if still we have any confusion, up till now I don't have. If still we have the confusion, so what we can do?
Message me in
You can ask in
university,
WhatsApp.
in WhatsApp, wherever. Yes, bete, you are most welcome. You all are most welcome.
Thank you.
Anytime. Sometime really it happens because of electricity problem or internet issue. I will reply a little bit late, but I try my level best to reply on time to all of you. Fine, you all are my stars now. That's why I always try my level best to reply on time and immediately. Okay? Or listen, one more thing. If in the last test or in the last quiz you did not get the good marks, okay? No worries about it. We will take again. Okay? The topic as well we will review again. Okay? So just inform me which topic you wish to review. Okay? Which practice you wish to do again. So our basic purpose is to make you understand, to make you practice. Clear? Clear, bete? Is this clear now?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
यूनिवर्सिटी पे आपको मैसेज कैसे करें, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
अच्छा, ये आपको नहीं आ रहा. Let me tell you. I'm sharing a screen. Just look at that. देखिए, ये एक bell icon होता है. When you log in ना, just click on bell icon. Did you see the bell icon?
Yes.
Here all the notification appear. Just click the bell icon and view all. जब सारे मैसेज को क्लियर करते हैं ना, तो ये सारे मैसेज अपीयर हो जाते हैं ना. या किसी एक मैसेज को जाके आप गो थ्रू करके वहां मैसेज देखें, यहाँ पर सामने उसके एक एनवेलप का आइकन है. डिड यू सी?
यस.
एनवेलप के आइकन को क्लिक करें, व्यू ऑल को क्लिक करें और यहाँ जाके टाइप मैसेज करेंगे आप मुझे. ठीक है? यहां से जाके आप मैसेज शेयर करेंगे. ये देखिए, ये मैंने एनवेलप को क्लिक किया, ये आइकन आ गए. कंपोज, इनबॉक्स, सेंड, ट्रैश, एवरीथिंग कम. सब आ गया ना बेटे?
यस.
यहाँ कंपोज से जाके आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं. क्लियर?
मिस करे क्लिक.
कंपोज से जाके आप मुझे, देखिए आप कंपोज करेंगे ना, ये विंडो अपीयर हो जाएगी. इस तरह आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं कि आप किसको करना चाह रहे हैं. क्लास टीचर को करना चाह रहे हैं, लुक एट दैट. टीचर को करना चाह रहे हैं, एकेडमिक हेड को करना चाह रहे हैं, टू होम सो एवर यू विश टू डू. आप यहाँ लिख के नाम, सब्जेक्ट, अपनी प्रॉब्लम लिख के, अपना मैसेज लिख के सेंड कर देंगे मुझे. क्लियर?
अच्छा मिस. जी मिस,
ठीक है?
समझ गया।
Very good. Did you get all the things?
Yes.
मिस मुझे ये चीज नहीं
Yes.
पता था, मुझे पता चल गई है।
जी बेटे अभिया,
I was saying मुझे ये चीज नहीं पता था, पर अब पता चल गई है।
okay, that's really good. Now you get all the options. Okay.
Yes,
The second thing, whenever you wish to ask question in Zoom session, जब आप Zoom session में question करेंगे, for that you have to raise Zoom raise hand. The option is there of Zoom. So
Yes,
not
miss.
raise hand practically. Don't show hand in this manner. No, just raise the Zoom option. ठीक है?
Teacher, there is no zoom option in it.
बेटे there is. जब आप option को click करते हैं ना अपनी screen पे, आप देखिए वहां पर option होगा to raise hand. Raise hand, lower hand. ठीक है? Thumbs
Miss,
up. All
miss.
the option are there.
Teacher, I
Miss,
don't
miss.
have. I have only thumbs up and clap option.
अच्छा
मिस
raise
वो
hand का नहीं है?
मिस वो जो
वो
रेज
teacher-
हैंड का आता है ना, वो
वो
सिर्फ
teacher
मोबाइल में आता है।
मोबाइल
ये
में।
वो भी मेरे से मोबाइल में होता है।
नो टीचर मेरे
No,
लैपटॉप में भी
बेटे,
आता है,
it's not
Miss,
possible.
मेरे लैपटॉप में भी आता है ये।
जी जी, I know, I can understand.
भी आता है।
मिस हमारे लैपटॉप में भी आता है।
Yes, I know. In every option we have this. It's not possible. The option is not coming. Okay.
मिस no.
Now yes, Mubashir, complete your question. Yes, Mubashir, unmute yourself.
मिस
जी बेटे।
हम कह रहे हैं मैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स में गया, उसमें नीचे रेज हैंड का ऑप्शन है। पार्टिसिपेंट्स
You can do from there. ठीक है?
उधर। यस मिस।
Okay. Now I'm starting the topic today. Let me first we have to review. So you will tell it to me what is the last topic which we did. Okay. Aryan, now tell me what is a verb.
यस टीचर एक दफा और बोल दे।
What is verb? Share it
Teacher,
with example. Review it. A short review. Give it to me.
टीचर लाइक सारा इज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट।
Very
टीचर
good. Which
Teacher,
word is
verb
verb in that?
प्लेइंग।
Very good. Why it is verb?
टीचर बिकॉज वर्ब इज एन एक्शन वर्ब
Only action verb.
हेल्पिंग
Very good. Very good, Aryan.
हेल्पिंग
Okay.
वर्ब।
Very good. Now, Zayan, unmute yourself.
यस मिस।
Now tell me how many types of verb we have. Action and second one. Okay, Abhiya of 6th green. Give a short review.
यस टीचर।
How many category of verb we do have?
एक्शन वर्ब,
G.
एक्शन वर्ब एंड एडवर्ब।
No, I'm asking about verb only. Talk about verb, not adverb. Okay, Anaya, unmute yourself. Give a short review about the verb.
What?
To briefly describe what is verb.
Miss, what is an action word? What? What is
Anaya, you are not audible, beti. Aryan, Zayan, Mohammad Saqib, Mumtaz, Sohail, Rafi, and Rija, please open camera. Ji beti, Anaya, speak up.
is the word? What is an action word?
Okay, very good, Anaya. But the voice is not clear, my dear. Abdullah Danish, speak up. Give the review. What is verb?
Teacher, verb is an action.
And second, Abdullah Farhan, speak up. Danish, Abdullah Danish, I will remove you if you close camera. I want everyone to take part in it, please. Rafi, speak up. Rafi, speak up.
Yes,
What is
miss.
verb?
Verb is an action verb and helping verb.
Okay, these are fine. And other one? Okay, do tell me which word is verb in the sentence. Rafi is a student. Where is action going on? Okay, unmute yourself, Shahrazam.
मिस वर्क होगा ये एक्शन नहीं होगा
Rafi is a student. There is a verb in the sentence. So which
Means
word is the
student.
verb in the sentence?
नो मिस
Who will tell? Sanan, unmute
Miss, I
yourself.
is
How it is a verb?
teacher helping verb
No, it's not helping verb.
linking verb working
You know, when it work as helping verb, na, at the time we do need the auxiliary, the helping verb. जब is, am, are helping verb के तौर पे work करते हैं ना, at that time we do need ing. उस वक्त हमें ing की जरूरत होती है. But right now we don't have ing form.
वर्ब वाले एक्शन में ing जरूर आता है
जी, जब ing है ही नहीं, तो is helping verb कैसे हुआ? Now tell me which verb it is. अभी आप बताइए. अभी आप 6 read.
Miss student.
It's not
Student.
possible, Abhiya. Student is a
Miss,
noun.
Rafi is a student.
Rafi is a student. So इसमें verb क्या है? Verb.
Rafi
Miss student.
No.
is
और कोई वर्ड भी नहीं आ रहा है इसमें.
No, Abhiya, we do have verb in that.
teacher is
Miss
Okay, let me clear you by
Yes,
example. I'm sharing screen. Look at that. Okay.
miss verb virus
Are you all able to look at my screen?
yes
Okay. Look at that. A verb is a word or group of words that describe an action, experience, or state. Clear? What it does? It describes an action or state. समझ में आ रहा है? आपकी एग्जिस्टेंस को भी डिस्क्राइब करता है कि आप क्या हैं. Clear? Is that clear to everyone? जहां पे जो इस वर्ड पे इन द सेंटेंस
सलान हो रही है
here is a static verb. It's not showing an action, but it is describing us what is the state of a person. उसकी existence क्या है, वो क्या है. Am I clear? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, miss.
Anyone wish to ask any question about it?
मिस
जी बेटे पूछें.
मिस जो आप कह रही थी यूनिवर्सिटी पे मैं होमवर्क सेट कर दूंगी, आप देख लीजिएगा. वो उधर होमवर्क कहाँ पे देखेंगे?
बेटे you have to click on magnifying glass to view the homework. आप magnifying glass को view करेंगे ना,
जी
you can get it कि आपको असाइनमेंट क्या मिला है. ठीक है. Okay, I'm again sharing the screen. I want everyone look at that. The desktop up here, bete. Now look at that. Bete, please do not speak in between the class. He is a student. Look at this word is. In this sentence, is not the action verb. This is stative verb because it is describing the state of a person. कि बच्चा क्या है? He is a student. ठीक है? The verb show two things. The state of a person. Here it is describing the state of a person. The state of a person. Fine. Listen. When is am are or is am are also working as helping verb. Fine. But for that we do need ing form of verb. This option is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Verb has two functions. The first one, it describes an action. It describes an action. Clear? The second function, it also describes the state. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
So memorize this point. It is very important because if I'm giving you an assignment, find verb in the paragraph. So how will you find it if you don't know about this two category? You will say only verb is an action verb. So it's incomplete definition. Clear? Okay. Anyone wish to ask any question? Because 2 minutes we have. The class will over after 2 minutes. Quickly. Amsal, unmute yourself. Quickly, Amsal. Amsal, Aryan and Rafia, unmute yourself. One by one ask.
मिस
जी राफी.
मिस आपने वो कैटेगरी कौन सी बनाई थी? आपने वापस बता दें.
बेटे, verb describes an action or an state. Word describes an action or state. क्या करता है? एक एक्शन बताता है जो काम कर रहा हो और एक स्टेट आपकी एग्जिस्टेंस क्या है, आप क्या हैं. ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम अ टीचर. तो यहाँ पे वर्ब क्या है? am, क्योंकि मैं क्या हूं, मेरी एग्जिस्टेंस क्या है? आई एम अ टीचर. समझ रहे हैं आप? You all are a student. So यहाँ पे वर्ब क्या है? are, are. अबिया इमरान जल्दी से अनम्यूट करें बेटे. अबिया प्लीज क्विकली.
Miss, I am saying that मुझको समझ में नहीं आया. तो समझ में नहीं आया. is कैसे आया? is state verb है, वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
बेटे few, listen now. Few verb are working as stative verb. जो आपका when there is no ing form. तो ये जो helping verb है ये main verb के तौर पे काम करते हैं. ठीक है? It works as lexical verb. Fine. जैसे was were हो गया. was was, were were, is am are. ठीक है? लेकिन अगर सेंटेंस में ing है तो ये helping verb होंगे. ठीक है?
Yes, miss.
लेकिन अगर ing नहीं है तो ये मेन वर्ब होंगे. ठीक है? For example, you were a child. For example, you were a child.
खालिद का है
5 days before you were a child. Is that, are you getting it? तो यहाँ पे आर के साथ कोई आईएनजी नहीं है, ए आर आर यहाँ पे मेन वर्ब है, ठीक है?
Okay, miss.
Yes, Aryan, unmute yourself. We will continue this class more. Anyone wants to ask any question, raise the hand. Unmute yourself and please raise the hand and ask the question. Quickly. Yes,
इस बार
anyone
मैंने
wants to ask
गलती
the
से
question?
करा हुआ था
जी बेटे राफे,
मिस, वो मैंने उसको बंद करना भूल गया था हैंड रेस को।
अच्छा, okay, no problem. Now do let me know. Is clear? The topic is clear to everyone?
Yes.
The function of verb. What is the function of verb? Mubashir, tell me quickly. Mubashir, tell me. Verb का function क्या है?
Verb is the action जैसे मिस जैसे walking reading dancing bathing ऐसे होते हैं मिस
A second.
second मिस
Humaira, do let me know what is a verb.
A verb is a action word
Or
or
stative verb,
stative verb.
which is describing the state of a person. आपकी existence को जो यहाँ बयान करता है. Anaya, unmute yourself. Did you get the topic?
Yes.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Sanan, you got it?
Yes.
Anyone wish to ask any question? Please practice this topic more. Okay? You all have to practice this more and more. Make sentences of 2 kinds of verb. 5 sentences of action verb and 5 of stative verb. जहाँ किसी की existence और state बयान की गई हो. So you will make 10 sentences. 5 sentences of action verb and 5 of without. Yes, Abhiya, now the class time is over. Through university, you can contact me. But if now WhatsApp me. Ji. Quickly, Abhiya.
Miss, सिर्फ ये पूछना है कि अपकमिंग अभी अभी जो क्लास होगी कल उसमें हमारा क्विज होगा।
No, बेटे, now I'm not taking. I'm reviewing all the classes. अभी हमारा review चल रहा है, ठीक है?
Okay, miss, I got it.
Okay. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Abdullah Farhan, quickly ask the question. I have to end the meeting because already I have taken 6 more minutes.
Teacher, what is the homework?
Homework I will share through university. ठीक है? Allah Hafiz, everyone.